Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this Garvee 360-degree rotating table. This table is so cute and it actually comes with all the pieces you need right there. So I'll start by unboxing it first. I absolutely love the wood. The color is vintage, and honestly the table is simple and came with everything needed to set it up, which makes assembly pretty easy. I decided to get this table because I needed something functional for my little office space, whether as a YouTube editor or simply as a reader. So these are all the pieces, and I'm so grateful to God because my husband always comes to rescue when it comes to household gadgets, putting them together and the like. So the table also comes with a charging station where you can place and charge your devices, which is one of my favorite features. My husband helped me to put all the pieces together, and it honestly didn't take us long at all. And here it is, lovelies. The table has 2 layers where you can keep anything you like, your books, gadgets, or other items. I decided to arrange my books here on the 2 layers, especially the ones we love reading. There's also a perfect spot for my iPad and laptop. It also has wheels. You can wheel the table to anywhere in your room, any corner, and it's just gonna drive that direction. So this is awesome. And it also has this handy pouch where I keep my mechanical pencils so I can grab them easily. The built-in charging station is definitely the main reason I fell in love with this table. It keeps my iPad charged and my work space organized. Now everything is neatly set up. My books, my iPad, my laptop, it all fits perfectly. I am really enjoying this table, honestly. It is simple, practical, and so nice to work with. Alright lovelies, the link is on the video description. Go ahead and grab the link and see for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Until we see again next time, remain blessed.